Are your nuts loose?
Well, then get the Awesome Super Screwdriver, aka the ASS.
The Awesome Super Screwdriver can screw nuts and screws in almost any surface.
Concrete,
Wood, air, trees, even people. Awesome Super Screwdrivers make excellent gifts for anyone. Order now and I'll send you your small and big Awesome Super Screwdrivers, which can handle a variety of sizes of nuts. You can screw your nuts in the bathroom, in the basement, in the closet, on the house, with your friends, and even on your electrical box. Now only $5.99, but call in the next 5 minutes and we'll include your big screwdriver to handle your big nuts, your medium screwdriver which handles those in between nuts, and your small screwdriver which handles the small nuts, and every size in between. So call now!
The Awesome Super Screwdriver is not responsible for any injuries that may occur while screwing your loose nuts. Side effects may include coughing, diarrhea, loss of limbs, punctured ribs, lightheadedness, numb fingers, urination of blood, lung cancer, influenza, coma, breast cancer, diabetes, loss of blood, and possibly death. So call now.
Blooper! Air. Blooper! But wait, order now and I'll send you your small... even people. Even people.